So good morning students, all of you. Today's class we are going to revise some of the important points, some of the important concepts of the chapter Animal Kingdom, Animal Tissues, and the 3 chapters of Human Physiology also. Right students?
Yes, sir.
So the form of 1 mark questions we will discuss. First I will give the 1 mark questions. If you know the answer, directly write down. If you don't know the answer, refer in the book and write the answer. Okay? Just trying to write the answer without seeing only. Okay. So 1 mark questions. First one. First question. Define metamerism. Define metamerism. Yes, students, what is the answer? Define metamerism.
Division of body into various segments.
And
Serial repetition of organs.
good. Yes, students, what is meant by metabolism? What is the answer? The body divides into segments and serial repetition of
Organs takes place.
organs. Serial repetition of the organs. At least minimum 1 organ serially repeated. Then only it is considered as metabolism. Right. Next one. Yes, students, finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next question. Which group of organisms exhibits water vascular system, students?
Echinodermata.
Only Abhay is replying. What about remaining person?
Sir, I told, sir.
Right. Remaining persons need to be interact. Right? So phylum. Echinodermata. Right. Next one. In animal kingdom,
Mollusca, sir.
exhibits
Mollusca, sir.
Mollusca.
Molluscans.
phylum Mollusca. Next one, write down.
Sealant rate and setting
Sealant
appliance.
rate.
Which
Sealant
group
data.
of JDC is presented?
Sealant
Sealant
rate
rate.
and
Data.
setting up.
JDC student.
Gastrovascular cavity.
Gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular.
Gastrovascular cavity. Good. Next one. What is coelom?
Sir, body cavity lined by
Body cat line by
mesoderm.
mesoderm is called
Body
coelom.
cavity is lined by mesoderm.
Very good. The body cavity, the space which is presented between body wall and gut.
Mesoderm.
Gut. Lined by mesoderm.
Lined by mesoderm. The space which is presented between body wall and gut, which is lined by mesoderm, is called coelom. Right. Next one.
Ascalmentis.
Ascalmentis.
Mentis.
Ascalmentis.
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 Good. Phylum Ascalmentis. Our ciliated
Eight, sir.
complaints are considered.
8, sir.
Sir, 8 ciliated complete.
8 slated completes.
What purpose? Function.
Locomotion.
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 And digestion. Locomotion.
Good.
Locomotory function.
Locomotion. Good. Which group of
Mollusca.
organisms are called soft?
Mollusca.
Mollusca.
Mollusca. Sir.
Phylum Mollusca.
Hemichordata, sir.
Yes, students, what is answer?
Hemichordata.
Hemichordate.
Hemichordata.
Are connecting links between chordates and non-chordates.
Hemichordata, sir.
Hemichordata.
Phylum Hemichordata. Next one. Next question. What are the excretory organs in aquatic arthropods?
Malpighian tubules.
Green gland, sir.
Gland.
Green gland.
Green gland, sir. Green gland.
Coxal gland.
Sir, answer part.
Coxal gland, sir.
Oxygen.
Coxal.
Malpighian tubules are what? Aquatic or terrestrial?
Terrestrial, sir.
Terrestrial.
Sir, terrestrial, sir. It's found in cockroaches and all.
Next one. What are the subphylums in Chordata? I recorded.
Urochordata, Cephalocordata, Vertebrata.
Urochordata and Subchordata.
Urochordata, Cephalocordata, and Vertebrata.
How many subphylums are presented in Chordata phylum, students?
3.
Three.
3.
What are
Urochordata,
Urochordata, Cephalocordata, vertebrate.
what?
Very good.
Right. Define metagenesis.
The division in the organism's body.
Exchange
sir.
of sexual
Alternation
characters.
of generation.
Come again.
Alternation of generation.
Alternation of generation from asexual to sexual, sexual to
Asexual.
Asexual.
that is metagenesis. Exhibits by which phylum?
Coelenterata.
Coelenterata, Medaria.
Good. Next one. Name the two academically beneficial arthropods.
Apis bombax.
Apis indica.
Bombyx mori. Apis mellifera.
Apis indica, Bombax, more. And
Black indica.
along with that, Apis indica, Bombax, more. That's it, student.
Glassifera, lac insect.
Lac insect, classifier. Good. Next one, write
Sir,
down.
prawns. Prawns.
Prawns and crabs are edible items. Yes, academically beneficial.
Yes.
Those are also edible. You can write both names also. Right, students, write down next question. Which phylum organisms are diploblasts and coelomates?
Platyhelminthes to chordates.
Wrong.
No organisms are
No organisms are developed in filament.
Good.
No
Filaments organisms are there in animal kingdom? Not there. You cannot count the combination of diploblast coelomeres. Next one.
Sir, you're muted, sir. Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Who muted students? Have you observed?
Sir, in your name only they came, sir.
Sir, your name only, sir.
Muted, sir.
Someone has come.
And my name, college name.
No, sir,
No, sir, you are
Your-
No, sir, your name, sir. Anil Kumar Susarup, they came and meted in 18 events.
My name, Anil Kumar.
Yes, sir.
He left the meeting.
He left, sir.
He left. Okay. Okay. Right, students. Next question. What are diploblastic animals?
Sir, the animals which have 3 primary germ layers.
Very good. Animals are exhibits. How many have
3 primary
Three
germ layers.
primary.
Three primary layers. Ectoderm, mesoderm,
Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm.
ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Good. Next one.
Ostichthys, sir.
Good. Which species are exhibits air bladder?
Ostichthys. Ostichthys.
Ostichthys. Body fishes. Good. Next question, write down.
Reptiles.
Exhibits skin cast.
Reptiles.
Good. Class Reptilia. Reptiles. The next one. What is meant by viviparous?
Sir, the animals which give birth to young ones.
The organism which give young birth to bite eggs.
Eggling.
No, sir, not egg laying. Not egg laying. Give birth to
Give birth to the young ones.
The animals which give birth to the young ones. Birth to the young ones. Such type of the animals are called viviparous.
which can regulate their own body temperature, sir.
Regulate or maintain.
Maintain their own body temperature.
The organisms, what is meant by homeotherms? The organisms are able to maintain their constant body temperature, are able to maintain their body temperature constantly. Such type of the organisms are called.
And their body temperature doesn't change according to surroundings.
Those are called homeotherms. Correct. Right. Next question, write down. How many days are there?
15 pairs, sir.
How many?
6 to 15 pairs.
Good. So which organisms are Jawalis vertebrate students?
Cyclostomes.
Cyclostome.
Cyclostomes. How many pairs of gills are presented?
6 to 15 pairs of gills.
6 to 15 pairs of gills are presented. Right. Next question, write down.
Group of cells which have
group of
different
cells which
function.
Group of cells.
Which have specific function.
Only cells are called tissues. What's the definition, students? We discussed it so many times.
A group of similar cells which perform a specific function in the body.
Cells along with the what is
Intercellular fluid.
Yes.
Cells with intercellular substance.
substance perform a specific function.
Cells along with the intercellular substances. Those are
Which
called-
exhibit specific function.
exhibit specific function. Cells plus intercellular substance you need to mention. Okay. Right. Next question, write down, students. How many types of tissues are present in the cell?
3 types.
What are they?
Sir, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue.
Four types. So
Four types there. Neural tissue.
4 types, sir. System.
What are they?
No,
Right.
sir.
So 4 different types: epithelial, connective, and neural tissue, and muscular tissue. Right. Next, write down, students. What is the location of squamous epithelium?
Lining of
Sir,
bladder.
alveoli,
Lining of the brachisternum.
lining of
Alveoli
blood
of
vessels.
lungs.
Lining of blood vessels and alveoli and along with that. In alveoli, what purpose, students?
Diffusion.
Diffusion purpose.
Lining of blood vessels also.
Diffusion.
Diffusion only.
And along with that, where, in which region these are presented?
PC.
Students?
The Bowman's capsule.
Good. Bowman capsule of the kidneys. For what purpose?
Filtration of the blood
Filtration of
cell.
Filtration.
Filtration of blood. Good. Next question. Next question right now.
Sir, secretion of mucus.
What are the functions of goblet cells?
Secretion of mucus.
Of mucus.
Good. Next question. What are the examples of unicellular glands, friends?
Goblet cells.
Goblet cells, sir.
Goblet cells.
Okay. Next one right now. Which are the
Neural
connective tissues more?
Areolar connective tissue, sir.
Good. What is areolar connective tissue? So where the areolar connective tissue is presented? Location.
Below the epithelium.
Beneath the skin.
Beneath the skin. Good.
Skin.
Next one right now.
Sir, the cells of
Both sides.
adipose tissue.
The cells of
The cells of adipose tissue. What purpose, students?
Storage of
for storing of fat beneath the
Storage of
skin.
fat, sir.
Storage of fats.
Good. Next one right now. And the cells of cartilage.
Chondrocytes.
Chondrocyte.
Right. Cells of cartilage. Chondrocytes. Good. Next one. Which type of muscles are unstriped and
Smooth
involuntary?
muscles, sir. Smooth muscles.
Smooth muscle.
Good. Yes, students, which muscles are unstriped and involuntary? Smooth muscles are skeletal muscles?
Smooth muscles, sir.
Smooth muscle, sir.
Muscles. Next question right now. Which cells are supporting neural tissue?
Osteocytes.
Which one? Yes, students, supporting cells.
Neuroglial cells.
Good. Two different types of the cells are there, neurons and neuroglial cells. Neurons for conduction, generation, transmission of nerve impulses. Neuroglia what purpose? Provides support.
Support for transmission.
Yes, correct. Next one. What's the name of first segment in axon?
Prostomium, sir.
Peristomium. Peristomium.
Peristomium.
Peristomium is correct answer. What is prostomium?
Buccal.
Cell cavity.
Prostomium means
Mouth is present.
Mouth.
Sorry, for digging mud.
the part which is presented at the peristomium, wedge-like structure is called prostomium for the purpose of burrowing and sensory function also. Okay. Next one. What is the location of cranial nephrodias?
Fourth, fifth, and sixth segment.
Fourth, fifth, and sixth segment.
4 to 6 segments. Segment number 4, 5, and 6. Next one. Which part of axon genital cores are present, students?
Sir, 14th and 18th segment.
Which region?
Ventral.
Ventral portion of it. Answer is ventral portion of waterfall. Next one. What is CJ?
Microscopic.
Locomotory organs.
The locomotory organs are?
Earthworms,
Earthworm.
which are in S shape.
What is the shape of CJ, students?
Shape.
CT.
Good. Okay, next one right now. What are sternites?
Sir, ventral exoskeleton. Sir,
Ventral exoskeleton of what? Earthworm?
sir, no, sir. Periplanet.
Cockroach. Cockroach.
In cockroach, sclera presented in the region of ventral side. Those sclerites are called sternines. Exoskeleton, ventral exoskeleton of the Periplanet americana. Okay, next one. Next question, write down, students. Our spirals are presented in Periplanet.
Sir, 12.
12.
So 10.
10, sir.
10, sir.
Wrong.
10.
9.
Wrong.
Sir, 20, 10 pairs.
Do one thing. 1 to 20, tell the numbers. 1 will be correct. How many is there? 10, 20, or 9? How many students?
20.
10
Sir,
pairs.
10 pairs, sir. 10 pairs. 20.
20. Next one. How many chambers of heart?
13 chamber, sir. 13 chamber.
13 chamber.
13 chamber.
13 chamber heart in Periplanet. Next one, write down. Define T-codon.
Arrangement of teeth on jawbone.
Arrangement of teeth in socket of jawbone.
In whom?
Humans.
Mammals.
Humans, mammals. Arrangement of the teeth in alveolar socket of the jawbone. It's called T-codon, right? What is the maintaining capital formula in humans?
2102 by 210.
2102 by 2102.
Good. 2102 by 2102. In that, what is meant by 2?
Incisor.
Incisors.
2 incisors.
1,
Canine.
Canine.
0,
Premolars.
Molars.
last 2.
Molars.
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 Number of teeth are there in milk teeth?
20 teeth.
20 teeth, sir.
20 teeth, sir.
20 teeth. Good. Next one. What is defecation?
The removal of undigested food materials in our body.
Removal of undigested.
Yes, come again. Yes, students. What is defecation?
The removal of undigested food from our body.
The process of elimination of excretory material from the body is called defecation.
Defecation.
Next one. What is assimilation?
Sir, utilization of digested food
Utilization of digested nutrients from the
At the level of?
cellular level.
The level of utilization of the nutrients at the level of cells. End products reaches to the cells and cells utilizes the end products of the digestive system and delivers energy. It's called assimilation. Next one, write down. What is the ileocecal wall? What is the function of ileocecal wall?
Sir, it allows the entry of food from ileum of the small intestine to cecum of the large intestine.
Wrong.
Avoids the backflow of food from large intestine to
And large intestine to small intestine.
Return back. It avoids the, it prevents the food from where to where?
Large intestine to small intestine.
Intestine to small intestine. It allows the food. It cannot allow food cannot enter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Direction of the water. Right. Okay. Next one, write down. What is the function of gallbladder?
Temporary storage of
it's
bile.
temporary storage of the bile juice.
Good. Temporary storage of
Bile juice.
correct. Next question, write down, students.
Forty-fourth, sir.
44. Okay. Next question, student. What is partial pressure?
The concentration of individual gas in the body is called partial pressure.
From a mixture of gas.
From a mixture of gas.
Contribution of individual gas
Individual gas from mixture of
Mixture of gases.
is called partial pressure. Right. Next one, write down. Define breathing.
inspiration and expiration of air.
The physical process which is involved in exhalation and inhalation of the atmospheric air.
Atmospheric air and exchange of atmospheric air with the pulmonary air. Of exchange of atmospheric air with pulmonary
With pulmonary air.
air by inspiration and expiration is called breathing. Okay. Right. Next one. What is residual valence?
Volume of air remaining in the lungs
Presented in the lungs after forced
after a
expiration.
forcible expiration.
After
Forcible
Forcible
expiration.
expiration.
forcible expiration. Correct. The volume of air remaining in the lungs after forcible expiration. Next one.
Pons, sir.
Location of respiratory
Pons.
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 pons area.
Midbrain, sir.
Pons area brain. And brain.
Yes.
Next one. Define internal respiration.
The exchange of gases between the blood vessels and the cells.
Come again.
The exchange of gases between the tissues.
Tissues and
Blood vessels.
Blood vessel.
Blood vessels.
blood vessels is called
Internal
Internal
respiration.
respiration.
internal respiration. The process of exchange of gases in the region of cells from blood vessels to cells, cells to blood vessels. Next one. What are blood corpuscles?
Cells of
Cells of
RBC, WBC.
Cells of blood, sir.
cells of blood.
Formed elements of blood.
Blood corpuscles. What are
The
the
formed elements of the blood.
RBC, WBC, platelets or thrombocyte.
formed elements? Right. Next one, right now. What is serum?
Plasma in absence of blood coagulating agents.
Plasma.
Plasma without
Clotting
clotting
agent.
factor.
Plasma without the
Without clotting factor.
serum.
Vitamin K, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Vitamin K, sir.
Which vitamin is involved in the blood clotting process? Vitamin K.
K.
What's the location of mitral valve?
Between left ventricle
Left and right ventricle.
Mitral valve means which valve, students?
Bicuspid valve.
wall.
Bicuspid.
Big one.
What's the location of bicuspid valve? Presented between
Left auricle and left ventricle.
Left auricle and left ventricle.
left auricle and left ventricle. Okay. On to this revise, students, once again. Go through NCERT lines along with the running notes also. Prepare well for weekend examination because this cumulative syllabus is for CBSE section syllabus, all chapters. For A1 section students, animal kingdom, animal tissues, and in the animal tissues, earthworm, cockroach, and frog is not there for A1 section students. Okay. And digestion and respiration is also not there for A1 section especially, and circulation is there for all sections. Okay. Right, students, prepare well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.